Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn about themes in PowerPoint. So we have already created one simple presentation, but now let's switch over to presentation which created by me and which is existing presentation. So we have applied theme to this presentation. The name of theme is glass layer, which is written here at the bottom of the window, and I have applied theme to my presentation. Now let's see how to apply theme to particular presentation. So to apply a theme in your presentation, first go to the design ribbon and you will see theme option in design ribbon. So when you apply your theme to your presentation, the text styles, your heading styles, your text transformation styles will be changed according to themes. So to set the theme or to see the live preview of theme, you have to select first your slide and then over onto the theme provided by in theme options. So I have over on office theme. The preview of office theme is displayed. I'm going to see the preview of Apex. The name is displayed when we over onto the theme. So this is the Apex theme, this is the aspect, this is the civic, this is conscourse, this is the equity, and this is the flow. So these are the various themes provided by Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can select any one of these. Suppose now go to the right hand side drop down arrow and you will see more themes provided by PowerPoint. So you can also select one of these themes. Now if you think that these themes are not enough to me and I want more themes, then you can also go to the Microsoft Office Online for themes. If you have connected internet with your computer, you can browse your themes if you have already downloaded, and you can also save your theme. If you have already created a presentation, then you can also save that presentation as your theme. So this is the theme. So let's select one of the theme and see what happens. So I am selecting this theme. So it is applied to throughout our presentation. Our first slides presentation also changed. Our second slide agenda and the style of text and the bullets is also changed. So you can see various style and effect of themes. So this is how you can set your theme to presentation. So this is about themes in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Thank you.